and I are really good friends. We go way back. Bata pa lang kami. And we're actually related in a way because of our in-laws. And when they pitched the concept, and of course having Rian Ramos there, na parang sabi ko, why not, diba? Parang you don't get to work with a fellow actor from another station. And the concept itself, I really have a heart for indie films because I feel mas mas mapaglalaroan mo. And kung pwede lang pong pagbigyan lahat ng magagandang konsepto, gagawin mo. But of course, schedule-wise, mahirap din. So you gotta choose the right projects and at the same time, yung talagang gusto mo. So it's very different from all the roles I've done. So that alone, sabi ko, that's enough consideration for me to do it.
So, nung ibigay sa yung project, kasama na si Rian. She's a given.
No, nakasama na si Ray, di ba? Yeah. Kasi we didn't have anybody else in mind. So, parang si Rian talaga po and the concept itself. And when we talked about it, buo talaga yung konsepto with Rian as the other lead.
Oh, so how was it trusting new directors like that?
Actually, paano ba yun? Siguro it wasn't up to me anymore. I just did my job. I just trusted them because they had a good concept, they had a good story. And then Jepo, I've seen some of his works. And I guess if you have a good concept, if you have a good material and they think they can do it, you just gotta trust them. So, when I saw the film, sabi ko, buti na lang ginawa ko ito. Kasi parang hindi naman nila gagawin ng isang pelikula kung hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. So, I guess it's all a matter of getting the break. So, we should be for that. You know, if you can get the break, a breakout, especially in this business, one way is through indie. So, of course, they have the talent for it and you want to support that.
So, how is it working with Rian?
Such a breeze. Such a breeze. We never had the hard time schedule-wise, limitations-wise, and we had to really protect and be careful because of course, babae po yung kasama natin, medyo delikado yung mga eksena. But she was very game, you know, so she has all my respect kasi nakikita mo talaga sa kanya yung commitment niya sa role, yung commitment niya sa project. When she accepted it, she knew what she was getting herself into. So, I was really humbled by it kasi parang na-challenge pa ako all the more because she was willing to give it all para sa isang pelikula na hindi naman ganun kalaki yung budget. But siguro there's just so much value and respect for the craft. So, doon po kami nagkasama. So, I really enjoyed my time working with her.
Kay Rian naman, I heard you had a very delicate love scene with Piolo. So, why did you agree to do it considering this is not a mainstream movie, kundi indie nga? And how is it working with Piolo?
About the love scene, kasi I've been offered movies that contained love scenes before. It's just I couldn't bring myself to do it kasi parang minsan ibe-base mo kung talagang kailangan siya sa story. And sometimes, hindi. But in this script, when I read it, nakita ko na it was really necessary. It was necessary to show the level of how in love the two characters were with each other. And so, I felt like this is a legitimate part of the story. In no way is it a marketing tool. I'm gonna do it. So yeah, parang it is my duty as an actress to go for it. Yeah. I was very nervous beforehand, but that's when I'm gonna bring it to how it is working with Piolo, because a lot of the time he was really the one calming me down about it. And once parang I was really nervous before shooting the scene, but once we started, kasi it took a while, but once we started, I felt comfortable na rin because whenever Direct Jeff says cut, he's the first one to cover me up before myself. So